ki MLA na South Garo Hills District kila rai man kerpat yu menteri rangba kejela konrad ke sangma banyak keren mat ke sorkar pedeng na kabenta man penpoi ya ke lynti rail hadu Baghmara habakren mat kilat pathai khubor ha kasi ningkong menteri katanat pulia puthi ke sorkar jela rakam e sangma ulong ba mau ringkat bat sangut ki MLA na ka district ken sakendo yu menteri rangba ban a ya ka dorkas na ka benta ban penpoi ya ka lynti rail na Guwahati shaduh mendi pathar Baghmara batru shaduh Dhaka.
It's true. I, along with our MLA district, will be meeting Honorable Chief Minister to submit a memorandum for extension of the railway line from Guwahati to Mandipati to Baghmara and even to Dhaka, because this will be the corridor for our trade and business in the long run. Because in the pre-independence time, especially South Garo Hills with Dhaka but a good trade and business before. So because we used to say the America has good road, not because they are rich, but America rich because they have the good road. So we need better connectivity to improve our economics. Connectivity is the importance for any community and for the present. Therefore, this is what our intention is, just to bring up the better economics. So, connectivity is very important for us. I don't know. We will just request our Honorable Chief Ministers to take up the matter with the Ministry and Government of India for the extension of the railway from Mandipati to Baghmara to Dhaka, in fact, via Baghmara. But having a integrated checkpoint is very important. Requested in infrastructure for all mechanism, for the immigration, for the illegal immigration, also for all this mechanism is very important. Yeah.